Is your external component the Oracle Data Access Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Oracle Corp links. Before we walk through the Oracle Data Access Library troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the Oracle Data Access Library, the official Oracle data provider for .NET. It allows managed C-parse applications to connect directly to Oracle databases, mandatory dependency for hundreds of enterprise accounting tools. If missing, the app will crash, citing an assembly load failure. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. If Oracle Data Access Library DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Oracle Data Access Library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If the restart didn't help the program find the file, we need to manually register the DLL pointer in the registry. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a pointer in the registry. If the program can't find that pointer, it doesn't matter if the file exists, it won't load. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Remember that manual replacement of Oracle Data Access Library DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on Oracle Data Access Library. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Oracle Data Access Library. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.